everybody? It's Aaron Cates, and I'm coming at you with another video today. Now, this is something I've kind of went back and forth on. It is the lift springs. I did the 7-inch lift springs. I did the leveling kit on the 7-inch lift springs. That didn't work, and I told you a couple videos ago that I was going to be doing the 2-inch lift springs. Well, they're here today. Today is Tuesday. I just got home from work. As you can tell, I'm still in uniform. But I'm going to hurry up before this sun sets, and I'm going to try and get both sides in. I just went and bought an electric impact, the corded kind, so it's full power. It's not like some little battery powered electric impact. Got the coil spring compressor. I want to get these in. I want to get it done because we're going away this weekend. We're going to be gone the whole weekend, and I want to be able to take my truck so I can make some videos while I'm down there, and that way I won't miss you guys on Sunday, and I don't have to pre-record a video for Sunday because I don't really know what I want to do yet. And I need to get the truck aligned if I'm putting these lift springs in, so I'm gonna hurry up and do that tonight and drive on them Wednesday and Thursday, let them settle a little bit, get it aligned Friday, and head out of town. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this apart. You guys have seen this, so I'm not gonna bore you with the whole taking it apart and everything. I'm just gonna show you it once I get it in, basically, because there's no sense in showing you again. You guys have already watched this one, so I'm gonna show you what the truck kind of looks like now, how bad it nosedives, and then I'll show you once I've got everything together. On camera, it doesn't really look like it nosedives all that bad. It looks like it's pretty close to level, but I can guarantee you it's not. If you look at the video from the truck meet of my truck driving, the roller that my buddy Brandon got of my truck, you can tell how much it nosedives in that. Here you can kind of tell. This is the worst side. Right over here, super close to the fender. It's like tucked really bad. And back here you have this big gap. It nosedives bad, so I'm hoping this will fix that. Alright guys, don't mind my hair. I know I look like freaking caveman right now, but 1 hour later, driver's side is done. And I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. It looks freaking awesome, guys. I mean, honestly, that corded impact helped so much with the coil spring compressor. Because usually I have to sit there and put it between my legs and turn it with the ratchet. So having a power tool really makes a big difference. It was well worth the $53.50 it was. But it looks awesome, guys. We're finally sitting level. It's 10 inches up front. If I remember before, it was like 9 3/4 in the rear. I'm like 7 inches up front. I don't remember. I'll have to go back and watch that video. But we are sitting level. So go ahead, finish putting everything together on this side. Still have a center cap, and I'm gonna put a shock in there. My buddy Brandon gave me his shocks off his Rough Country 4.5-inch kit when he bought some Bilsteins. And the way Rough Country designed this kit is to run stock height shocks. So with the 2-inch lift spring, and he had the 2-inch lift spring on his, that'll work out perfect. So get this side all buttoned up, hop over to the other side, and I'm telling you right now, things gonna look good. All right, catch you in a little bit. All right, guys, truck is done. I haven't put the center cap or the shock in on this side. Driver's side is completely done, but I think it looks awesome. It's definitely a lot higher in the front on this side. It's got some squat to it now, but these springs haven't settled yet, so it'll probably end up being just about dead level. So I'm happy with it. I'd rather it be level than it be raking. Did all of this in under 2 hours. So took everything apart, put two 2-inch lift shocks, or not shocks, 2-inch lift springs in the front, put it all back together. That impact helped so much. Like, it made the biggest difference on the spring compressor. So I'm gonna suggest, if you have coil springs that you need to compress, just go buy it. It's $53. I mean, the coil spring compressor tool is $50 to rent. $53, you own that. Just go to a Harbor Freight or Canadian Tire or anything like that. So, not from Canada, so I'm guessing that's what it's called. just from watching Boosted Lifestyle or whatever his name is, the really crazy guy building the LS53 Mustang right now. I love that channel. But truck is done. Let me give you a front shot. It looks good from the front. Don't mind all the tools, but that ground clearance now looks good. This is just a quick short video. Bug trying to fly in my ear. This is just a quick short video of me putting the lift springs in. Nothing too exciting happening here. I didn't want to show you guys me taking it apart, putting it back together. I did that in the other video. There's no sense in doing it now. So, truck's now level, might squat like half an inch. I have no idea. But I think it looks awesome. I haven't even driven it yet. So I'm going to put the shocking on that side. I'm going to call it a night, guys. I haven't even gotten out of my work clothes yet. I came straight home, went to work on this because I wanted it done before dark. And I must say I succeeded. So thank you guys for watching. I'm in the process of trying to buy a camera right now. I told you guys I've been looking online. I've been trying to buy a Canon PowerShot SX730HS. That's the camera I want. I wouldn't mind a GoPro, but I am super tired of recording on my phone because it's aggravating. I keep running out of storage. I keep having to go back and delete videos, and that's when I end up deleting clips from videos, or like, and the video you guys watched Wednesday of the exhaust, the video, the clip of the video that is portrait mode, my phone randomly does that, and I don't know why, because I have the phone turned sideways at all times, but I guess like it doesn't register that it's sideways, so it records it in portrait, and is the most frustrating thing because all the apps that I've downloaded to like rotate the video, it gives you like one free use, and then they want you to pay like $60 a year just to do that. I'm like, it'd be one thing if I was like some big YouTuber with like big money, but $60 a year just to rotate a video on my phone? No thank you. I will just put a little caption at the bottom of the video that says sorry about that, and hopefully you guys don't mind it too much. But I do want to thank you guys for one thing. The analytics on my channel, the not subscribed people watching my videos, went below 70% for the last week, and I want to thank you guys so much for that. I'm up to 60 subscribers now. I'm getting over 100 views on almost all my videos now, and I can't thank you guys enough. That means so much to me. I don't even have 100 subscribers, and I'm getting over 100 views. So that means if the 100 people that are watching my videos just subscribe, guys, please. I'm putting in the work. I'm 3 videos a week. Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. It's going to be there now and forever, possibly more. If I have an opportunity to record an extra video, I'm going to post it. So if you guys want to stick around, I'm not going anywhere. I'm here for the long run. So like I said, thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. Thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it, and all of you out there watching my videos, thank you. It really helps a lot. So thank you again for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. Just a short little clip to show you how much higher the truck really is. It's a couple days later. Today's actually Thursday. As you know, I recorded that video Tuesday. Truck squats about, I'd say, an inch. Nothing major, nothing ridiculous. Kind of like exactly where I like it. But you guys are watching this on Sunday if you watched it the day I posted it. And I must say I'm really happy with it. It is a lot stiffer. It kind of rides close to the way it did before, but I don't rub anymore, and that's what I'm happy about. I'm full lock backing up, full lock turning forward, no rub whatsoever. So I'm really happy with it, and I just want to show you guys what it was like kind of in the daylight with better lighting. A couple days later, kind of give you my opinion on how it rode. And if you have a two-wheel drive Silverado, whether it be a 99 or an 07 Classic, this is something you can do with a rough country 6-inch lift. These are max track 2-inch lift springs, and if you have a coil spring compressor and an impact, mates, a hell of a difference. So thank you guys for watching. Stick around for more videos.
Pull up, all the kids screaming, whoa, whoa. They eyes popping, jaws dropping, look